Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In this video, we'll be discussing about a Google Ads campaign, how you can make a successful Google Ads campaign for your car servicing niche or car repairing servicing niche. Okay, so you can see over here, this is our uh, Google Ads dashboard for car repairing service niche actually. So I have sorted the date range for last 30 days, and you can see over here we have generated 429 clicks, 3.5K impressions, and our total conversion is 31 in last 30 days, and we have invested uh 5.4K dirham. Okay, so this is basically a Dubai-based company. And if I try to show you their website, then you can see over here the website name is Silver Arrows, and they used to provide independent Mercedes-Benz service, in Dubai, exclusively servicing Mercedes-Benz only. Our trusted name ensures a service record from us retains your vehicle's value, setting the standard since uh, 2012. Okay, so if you are in Dubai and you want to service your Mercedes, like you want to repair uh something of your Mercedes, then you can contact them. Okay, so they have provided their WhatsApp number. You can submit your code from here. Okay, then you can see the videos that they're doing. Okay, the services that they're providing. Okay, so uh you can read them. You can read about them. You know, so they're working Monday to Saturday, 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. So you can uh call them if you want. Okay, perfect. So let's see how we implemented everything in their Google Ads account. Okay. So as I said, in last 30 days, we have generated 31 conversions. So conversion tracking has been set up properly. So first of all, you need to set up conversion tracking, so that you can track the data properly. So I'm gonna go to the campaign section. Okay. So currently we are running one campaign, Mercedes-Benz repair and service fleets. So you can see over here as the bidding strategy, I'm using maximize conversions, you know, and this is the average CPM, impression, interaction rate, average cost, total cost, conversion, and conversion rate. So we are generating 7.23% conversion rate. Okay, so this is basically for this landing page, but they will make another two landing page, especially one for service and one for repair. So I have recommended them to use the landing page separately so that we can use landing pages according to ad groups. So if I try to show you, then you can see over here we have created two ad groups, one for Mercedes-Benz services and other one for Mercedes-Benz repair. So currently we have one ad group. That's why the conversion rate is lower than 10%, but this is pretty good actually. Seven more than 7%. But if we are using different landing pages for this different categories like services and repair, then a conversion rate would be I think would be more than 20%. Perfect. So I'm gonna be talking about one of the ad groups. So let's see which one is performing well. So in terms of conversion rate, this one is performing well, but this one's CTR is good. So let's talk about Mercedes-Benz services. Okay. So you can see over here, currently we are using 16 keywords for this ad group. So I'm optimizing it using conversions and conversion rate actually. So if I try to show you the how I optimize this campaign actually, so you can see over here for this keyword we have uh, more than 16% conversion rate for this one, more than 16% for this one, more than 16% for this one, more than 10% for this one, 8%, more than 8%, and for this one, more than 6%. So what I basically do, this is my actually optimization formula. Uh, you can see if a keyword get 10 clicks but no conversions, I immediately pause the keywords. So you can see over here, if I sort it using clicks, then you can see, let's sort it by conversion rate, because you can see we have got 13 clicks for this keyword, but if I try to the conversion section, 13 clicks but no conversion. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna either remove or pause this. So I'm gonna pause this keyword. Okay. Similarly, if I sort it using clicks, so let's see. So this one, I have paused this one. So this one has got 10 clicks, but no conversion. So I'm gonna pause this one as well. Okay. So what you can do, you can use this formula or use these techniques. Like if your keywords get 10 clicks but no conversion, then you can pause these keywords so that you can get at least 10% conversion rate, you know. Then you can see over here, we are using some of the metrics like quality scores, you know. So then expected shared landing page experience, ad relevancy. So if you sort keywords using these metrics, then you can see, for example, landing page experience. So if you see uh, the landing page experience is below average, then above average. So for some of the keywords, you can see below average. So you can work on the landing page because it is not performing well because of the landing page. Similarly, for expected CTR, if you see the CTR below 10%, then you should improve your uh, click-through rate by improving the ads, you know. Similarly, for the ad relevance, you can see. Okay, so you can and quality score as well. So you can see if I sorted the highest quality scores, then it has got 10, 7, you know. So yeah, you need to improve the quality score as well if you don't see the improvement over here. So what I'm basically doing for this campaign, actually, I'm measuring the KPI called conversion rate, you know, and I am optimizing it. As I already said, that if a keyword get 10 clicks but no conversions, then I immediately pause this keyword. So you can also do that. Okay. Then what you can do, you can go to the search term. Okay, let's go to the auction insights report. So you can see we're seeing the data for last 30 days. So you can see we have got the most amount of impression share, you know, and position above rate, top of the page rate 84%, absolute top of the page rate more than 33%. That means it is outperforming all the competitors, you know. Then if I go to the search terms, you can see over here I have added some necessary search terms on the basis of conversions. So I have sorted the KPI using conversions. So I have added the necessary search terms. And if you see, I have added uh, some of the some of the negative keywords which are not relevant to our my services. Like this one is an Arabic term, so I'm not including any Arabic keyword, so that's why I have excluded it. Similarly, I have excluded this search term Mercedes warranty service, so we're not providing any warranty services because my client told me that we're not providing this service, so I have excluded this one. as well. So yeah, what you can do, you can add the necessary search terms according to the conversions, and you can you can add necessary negative keywords which are not relevant to your business. Then I'm gonna go to when and where ads showed. Okay. Then I'll go to the device section. Then you can see over here we have mobile computers and tablets. Okay. So I have sorted this using the conversion. So for mobile devices, we have got 12 conversions, and for computers, we have only got 4. So that's why I have increased the bid adjustment by 5% for mobile devices, you know. Then if I go to the ads section, then you can see over here I'm using multiple ads. Like in each ad sets or each ad groups, I'm using 2 ads. So one is dynamic keyword insertion, and other one is normal responsive search ad. And in each ad, I'm using 15 headlines and 4 descriptions and all the necessary assets, you know. And for dynamic keyword insertion, most probably I'm using 3 headlines and 4 descriptions. So just wait a little bit, just wait a little bit. This is the final URL. Yes, I'm using one dynamic uh, keyword insertion for position number 1, and at the position number 2, I'm using 12 years of experience, get your free service code. Okay, so you can see over here, uh, this is the ad preview, so it is loading. Just wait a little bit. Somehow the internet connection is slow. So yeah, you can see over here. So this is basically the keywords. So if you use dynamic keyword insertion, then what will happen? Your keyword will be appearing in the headlines, in the headlines and the description as well, if you use dynamic keyword insertion. Okay, so people will, if someone search, uh, if someone searched on Mercedes, the service center near me, then they will see this in the headlines if they're available in your keywords. So yeah, you can use dynamic keyword insertion, which is really helpful, and it will increase your CTR and conversion rate as well. Okay, so if I try to show you, you can see this is our dynamic keyword insertion, and the conversion rate is better than the normal responsive search ad for this ad. So you can try dynamic keyword insertion, and you can see the CTR is better for dynamic keyword insertion ads. So that's what I told you. So you will get high CTR and high conversion rate in compared to normal search ad. Okay. Then I'll go to the audience section. Okay. So we have 3 options available here: demographics, gender, and household income. Okay. So if I try to show you how I'm optimizing this for age, genders, and household income. So you can see over here, this age range has got 7 conversions. So that's why I have increased the bid adjustment by 3% for this age range. Similarly, if I go to the gender section, then you can see male has got more conversions in compared to female and others. That's why I have increased the bid adjustment by 2% for male genders. Similarly, for household income, top 10% uh, household income, uh, household these segments has got more conversions. That's why I have increased the bid adjustment by 5%. So I would suggest you to do it on a weekly basis, because age, gender, and household income for this categories, you need to optimize it on a weekly basis, because if you do it for a monthly basis, then I don't think this is standard. So you need to come to this section on a weekly basis, and you need to change according to the conversion and conversion rate, Then I'm optimizing the campaign on the basis of another factor, which is ad schedule. Because location, I cannot optimize it, because currently we are using only one location, which is Dubai. If we are using multiple locations, then we could have optimized it on the basis of locations as well. So I'm gonna go to the ad schedule option. Then you can see over here, this is the performance uh, of our days, like weekly basis or day basis actually. So you can see over here the conversion. I'm sorting it using conversions, and Thursdays are getting more conversions, Fridays are getting more conversions. So that's why I have increased the bid adjustment for this 2 dates, for this 2 days actually. Okay. So yeah, that is how you can optimize your campaign, you know. So yeah, that's it for this video. Uh, Hopefully you have liked our video and you have a clear understanding on how we can set up the campaign, how we can optimize the campaign on a regular. And for search terms, I used to add search terms in every 72 hours, that means 3 days. So what you need to do, you need to add necessary search terms in every 72 hours, and you need to uh, remove, or you need to add some negative keywords in every 72 hours as well. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video. Hopefully you have liked our video. If you like our video, then you can subscribe our channel, follow our page. Have a good day. And additionally, if you want to get services from us, like uh, if you have car uh, repairing service business, and you want to advertise your service, like car washing services, car repairing services, car um, and this sort of services, then you can directly contact us. We have provided our WhatsApp number, you can directly call us, you can message us, or you can email us. So yeah, hopefully we'll have a great collaboration together, and we'll make your business successful together. Okay, you have a good day. Bye bye.